इतना बड़ा धप्पा हुआ हमारे सामने. So beautiful. I really wanted to attend this one of the bonfire. Sound Garden. You can make lot of
Hello.
sounds there. Hello.
What time, Anna? Can we not now? 4:30 it's there.
It's a last stop.
4:30 to 5:20.
But why Google says it closes at 4:30?
Because
that's
that's the last slot now.
So only.
I'm running because it closes at 4:30. इतना बड़ा धप्पा हुआ हमारे सामने. इतना जल्दी पिज्ज़ा खाया. लाइक लिटरली हमने 5 मिनट्स में से फट करके पिज्ज़ा खाया. इतनी जल्दी स्कूटी पे खा के हम लोग यहाँ पे पहुँचे बिकॉज गूगल सेज इट क्लोजेज एट 4:30 द साउंड गार्डन बट एक्चुअली इट स्टार्ट्स एट 4:30 सो द लास्ट स्लॉट इज 4:30 सो इसलिए वो गूगल 4:30 दिखा रहा है. सो इट्स लाइक 4:30 to 5:20. तो नाउ वी हैव 1 hour. या तो हम इतना जल्दी कर रहे थे या अब हमारे पास 1 hour है टू डू एनीथिंग. सो व्हाट डू यू वांट टू डू?
I want to play.
You want to play? Let's go somewhere. We did some shopping in the meanwhile and now we are back to Sound Garden. She's already making sound.
Yes. Everywhere there is sound.
Phone made up of aluminum plated. In this you can play in center.
We can have our own jamming sessions, me and Kashmir. अपना म्यूजिक ग्रुप बनाएंगे.
Only give a vibration, not a sound. Okay, yeah, close your eyes. You can tap every 8 pipe and stand in center of stone. You can travel 8 different vibrations. One of the singing instrument. In this you can plug it softly, gently.
Did you listen?
In this instrument you can feel the sound means you can stand in both edges, you can feel the sound. In spiral strum drum, it's give a sound of lightning, or otherwise you can hold the spiral then twist clock or anti-clockwise. This is a ocean sound. In this you can rotate clock or anti-clockwise. A bamboo forest feel and adventure feel in by walking. In this don't go one by one.
She did it all by herself.
भाई ये तो ऐसे से भाग ली.
Wow! Hi bye.
भाई पतली सी है तो निकल गई मेरे सर पे बैठ रहा. मैं सोच रहा हूँ अरे वेट अरे तो निकल गई. This is a listening ear. It have 2 points is there. One is there, the another one is there. Like a distance communication without using your mobile phone, we can communicate each other.
They are there. I'm here and I'm making the sound. Hello. Do you hear me? What?
What are you doing?
I am waiting for you.
In this you can tap slowly, gently. Grenade, that's a xylophone made up of aluminum. It's a bigger version of xylophone. You can play in center. This is a Belgium copper. It's give a real copper sound. Just hold it everything, then little twist. It's give a real copper sound. Grab it everything. Reduce some pressure. Stay back. Just swing it slowly.
Close your eyes.
उसने कहानी बंद कर ली.
It's nice, right?
This is a ringing sound. In this, take some bubbles in bowl and put it inside slowly. It's give a sound of ringing.
Wow.
Beat the gem slowly means is touch every steel, then give a ringing sound.
So beautiful.
Listen the sound.
So beautiful this is.
This is a Sony sonar called music stone made up of black granite. In this stone, first of all, remove or rinse. Red stones makes damage. You can wet your hand and rub it inside. There's some water. In this stone, you can use your fingertip, then finger, then palm area. Just place it your finger, then move step by step.
Wow.
In this, give a sound and vibration to travel your road.
Trying all alone without any fear. Wow. You did it.
You did it. Superb.
High five.
I loved it. How you tried.
So we came at 6 from the Sound Garden at our hotel, and now we are again ready. It's 7:30 and we are going to a bonfire party.
Just bonfire. It's a drum circle.
I really wanted to attend this one of the bonfires in Orville, and usually it happens on the weekend. सारे weekdays में कुछ भी नहीं था, weekend पे था, but I think I really wanted to attend it, and God made it possible. So there is one bonfire night happening today, which is Thursday. So we are going there. यहाँ पे हमारे एक दो friends बने हैं जो मैक्सिको से हैं, so we have invited them as well, so that there will be a company. So we are 6 people who are going together. Let's go! I'm so excited. Are you?
Looking forward for it. Matching.
Mama, tomorrow you proud of me?
Yes, I'm always proud of you. It's the first time in Orville that we are going out late night somewhere. Who are those people that we are going with? And your name? I forgot. Oriana and Paulina. Paulina, I remember.
You know, Indian people have the most beautiful names. Shravan, like all of these names.
Shivani is also like very common. Very common.
It's beautiful.
Lower
I have my Indian friends from back home are called Gori,
Yeah.
Siddhant.
She loved it.
Let's go. I'm already super excited. 2 more friends who are supposed to come. Like they are from Mexico.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No, they are from Germany.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, Berlin.
They are from Berlin.
And you guys are from Mexico. Yeah, I got confused.
Their
Hi.
daughter is in
Lotus Guest House.
In front of the Inesh, so I'm taking you there because everyone has told me it's there.
Okay, or else I can just put the map.
Once we're there, we'll see where it is. Like I know, like I think next door. So we just here we follow the sound.
Okay.
So beautiful. They look amazing. I love it. Doesn't sell them. I want to buy
No, actually she made. But you can just keep it.
them. No.
No, that's okay, you can keep it.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's beautiful.
You can keep it.
No, maybe I'll just go and have to meet your mom and I'll buy it.
Then you have to come.
Yeah,
To Rajasthan.
I can help her start a brand and everything.
the cheese. Hi. seen these kinds of bonfires and dance and drums. Never joined it.
Same, and that's why I really wanted to have the
I think this
experience. Now we are going to have dinner.
Yep.
Yes, we are following you. Let's go. The road looks so scary.
Yeah.
But still see people are even walking.
So many more people were arriving.
Yeah, actually there were a lot of crowd. What do you want to have? I'm taking falafel hummus wrap because मुझे कुछ salad खाने का मन था और यहाँ पे कुछ भी वैसा है नहीं, so that will be a good. Sure, it's our last day here. Are you happy? Or are you sad that it's the last day here? You're happy? You want to go back home?
I want to come here.
Okay.
Dosa, idli or dosa every day for dinner and breakfast. Dinner and breakfast, idli dosa, idli dosa.
Even
she loves never it, so get I love tired.
making it too for her and for us. We love having it. But thank you for joining us. Just because of you, we were able to come.
Thank you for asking us to come with. Loved it.
But it was really nice meeting you guys. Seriously.
You danced really well. You had a good energy. Come on. Come on.
Come to a home. Come.
Oh, very nice.
Last night, bro.
Last night here for us and for you. So sad. Entire day I was feeling sad because of that.
But you know, I always know I come back. Like I know it's one last night of many times.
Yes.
So it's okay. Like I know I'm gonna come back many times. Like,
Yeah, even I've decided that I want to come back here and for longer time. You have to come to Hyderabad soon.
we will. Don't even tell us twice, because we will be there.
Okay, we are waiting for you. I could have never come alone here. She's literally not scared of these roads and she's saying, wow.
Oh, and you enjoy. We love meeting you too. You guys are a beautiful and amazing family. And I love your energy, everything.
So we will miss two beautiful souls. One is Paulina.
Yes.
Pau.
Wow.
Yeah. And
Oriana.
Oriana. So we're gonna miss you guys
Miss you
a
guys.
lot. Have our number, so if you are gonna come back again, please drop a message. We'll plan our vacation again.
Yes.
Bye.
Of course. Of course.
You think it was your best trip ever? You had a lot of fun? Yes? This was the best vacation ever. Thank you. Thank you, Dada. Thank you so much.
आपने भी बहुत नया चीज ट्राई किया ना
इतने सारे experiences
आपने
लिए
कितने
कितना
नए
कुछ नई
experience?
चीजें की. और tomorrow your turn to experience the Matri Mandir. Are you ready?
Really,
What are you looking forward to?
Mandir experience, meditation, everything. I don't know. I have no clue. I'm going with a blank mind.
Yeah, that's how you should go. Looking forward to see your perspective on Matri Mandir. कितना क्यूट किया. एक बार और दोबारा. एक बार. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Last few hours and then we are leaving. And we are ready to go to Matri Mandir. Not we, he is ready. I will be with Kashvi. What are you saying? More photo? Photo लूँ मैं आपकी? Okay. ये कितना सही आ रहा है. Now go and have something.
It's coming back to you, Dada.
I'm gonna miss this view so much. It's all so beautiful. Look at the sun. Bye, cutie. अकेले नहीं जाना, okay? I know you are very excited to meet your friend. Finally, she saw Yara. We were just talking about Yara since yesterday. Taking forever with dinner, and then we arrived and we're like, oh no! I tried calling you also, but it was not reachable. Hi, good morning. नहीं, टाइम लग जाएगा. अभी थोड़ा सा कुछ खा जाओ. Do faster. How are you feeling?
Excited.
Excited to go
Yes.
and experience the new world?
Yes.
Do you like dosas?
I love dosas.
It's your day to go today, na? Maitri Mandir. Okay.
Very nice.
Please.
You want to try?
She's like, I just want my milk. She didn't even want the little cake right now.
This is a cute family we have. So he is Alex.
And Halia.
What's your name? Cutie? Yara. We are going to Maitri Mandir today, Kalea and me together. And day before yesterday, Shivani and Alex went together. Bye, beta.
Enjoy. Have the good experience. You too. Bye bye. Oh, so pretty. You cannot run like this behind the dog. Now you can go with Yara and play. You want to drink the shake? No, no, no. I'm done with the coffee. Yeah. She will not meet you again. So do you want to say something to Yara? Oh, you'll miss Yara? Mohit is inside and me and Alex are taking care of the kids outside. We're really looking forward to see and to know that what Mohit has experienced. I'm like really excited to know his perspective on this. So I'm just waiting for him. Maybe he'll be here in like 10 minutes. I can't believe like we have like last half an hour maybe here and then we'll leave this beautiful place. This place feels like home right now. I'm gonna miss it so much. मैंने किसी vacation को इतना ज़्यादा miss किया जितना मैं इसको करने वाली हूँ. One for you. Let's go and sit. High five. It's time to say bye. Kashu, let's go. We are going. Alex, I think they'll be coming from there.
Hey, it was
Bye.
good to see you. It was
Nice
good to
meeting
see
you.
you. Good to see you. Big
Bye.
greeting.
Bye, Yara.
Bye, bye, bye.
Kashu, do you want to say bye to Yara? Come to Hyderabad sometime. Hi, Yara.
If you come to Berlin,
It was really nice meeting you. Oh, bye bye. Have fun. Bye bye. How was your experience?
I'm amazed. I don't have words. I don't know what place they have built.
Right?
What it is.
It's like a different world together.
I mean, मुझे curiosity हो रही है. I mean, what is the concept? Why are they doing it? How have they built it? Like it's so amazing.
Right? There are so many
I've never
questions.
seen anything.
True. I had the same feeling.
Like मैं इतने सारे tourist places अगर जाते हो, कोई भी monument देखते हो, it's a structure, but this is science structure totally.
And don't you think when we enter the inner chamber, it likes entering a different world, right?
Like a future.
है ना?
The people who are coming down, they're going there in the queue.
We are saying bye to this beautiful place.
You're gonna come back again.
Yes, for sure, for sure. I'm not ready to say bye yet. I miss this so much. I'm already missing it so much. It's 11:30 and अभी हम लोग अपने गेस्ट हाउस से वापस आए हैं and we are feeling like we are so late because हमारी ट्रेन 1 बजे की है. हमें यहाँ से चेकआउट करना है, कैब बुक करनी है. आई डोंट नो कितना टाइम लगाएगी. हमें पहुँचना है, स्कूटी वापस करनी है पौंडीचेरी में, देन विल गो. एंड यहाँ से थोड़ा दूर भी है. वी हैव टू डू वेरी फास्टर. तो ऐसा करो, आप निकल जाओ, मैं टैक्सी से आ जाऊँगी. आप वहाँ पे जाके बाइक रिटर्न कर दो पौंडीचेरी में जाके. आई विल मीट यू एट द रेलवे स्टेशन. चलो बाय.
Bye.
रेलवे स्टेशन.
Bye. Bye, Kashvi. You come with Mama.
How can we say bye to this beautiful thing? Beautiful. Oof. Where will we see this beauty? Where will we see this beauty? Where will we see this beauty?
Oh, butterflies here.
It's time to go back. Waiting for our taxi to come and we are getting so late, so I'm just hoping that it will come soon. Taxi is here finally. Yes.
We reached on time.
या वी मेड इट। जब मैं वहाँ पे कैब का वेट कर रही थी 12 बज गए तो कैब नहीं आई थी। आई वाज जस्ट सो स्कैर्ड। ये बहुत सुंदर सा ट्रिप ख़त्म होने को आ गया है, लेकिन इस ट्रिप से हम बहुत सारी यादें लेके जा रहे हैं, बहुत कुछ सीख के जा रहे हैं, बहुत सारे नए एक्सपीरियंसेस लेके जा रहे हैं। दिस वाज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल वेकेशन एवर। बहुत सुंदर था एंड आई होप कि हमने जितना एंजॉय किया उतना ही आप लोगों ने भी किया होगा। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। बाय बाय, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग।